The Favorites extension allows you to store frequently used plugins and themes for quick and easy installation. Your favorites are stored locally on your dashboard, ensuring your data privacy. You can add plugins and themes to your favorites in 3 ways. First, you can add them from the WordPress repository. On the Install Plugins or Install Themes page, search for the plugin or theme you need and click the Add to Favorites button. Second, you can upload them from your computer. On the Extensions Favorites page, click the Add New Favorite button and upload the plugin or theme file from your computer. Lastly, you can upload them via FTP by using an FTP client to upload the plugin or theme directly to the specified directory on your MainWP dashboard server. To keep your favorites organized, you can create custom groups based on any criteria you prefer. To do this, go to Extensions, Favorites, and then Favorite Plugins or Favorite Themes. Click the New Group button and name your group. Then select the newly created group, select the plugins or themes you want to add to it in the table on the right, and finally click the Save Selection button. You can install your favorite plugins and themes individually or in groups. To install individual plugins or themes, go to Sites, and then Favorite Plugins or Favorite Themes. Select the desired plugins, select your child sites, and complete the installation. To install a group, Favorite Plugins groups or Favorite Themes groups, select the group, choose your child sites, and as before, complete the installation. To delete a plugin or theme from your favorites, go to the Extensions, Favorites page, locate the item, and click the Delete button. Similarly, you can delete entire groups of favorites by selecting the group and clicking Delete. If needed, you can set a custom folder where your favorite plugins and themes are stored. To do this, go to the Settings page of the extension and enter the full path for the directory. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP, and be sure to check out one of our other videos next.